Alright, welcome to another robot adventures video. Yay! Children, dumbasses, shit for brains, stupid people. Do not watch this video. This video isn't made for you, it's made again for people who like my videos. I got the special piss in a cup. Piss in a cup. So I got this on Pagan Day. Yay! Pagan Day. And I think this is the stuff I got from, I don't know which one, but it's got to be the big, oh yeah, this is a big diamondy one. Alright, so this is a bunch of stuff that I got, apparently. And what are these? Oh, this is the 30 mil rod threaded thing that I ordered there. Let's see if that thing is bent. And I've got the, oh there you go, these are the optical end stops. I got 6 of these, I think. Optical. Alright, so those are opticals. More opticals. Static sensitive. Alright, so put those somewhere away from anything statical. And I got one of these. Oh, this is the assembly to make my Mark 8 into a Mark 9. And here's the, I don't know what, oh these are my the stepper motors. This is the TMC 2100. Alright, with the two heat sinks on there. Alright, put that over there somewhere. And I got a bunch of little thingies from Anycubic. I don't know if they're friends with each other. But I got that, so I can screw it in the top of there. And what else did I get? Oh, here we got just oh, this is the stepper motor expansion board. Woohoo! Yay! So I got this, so now I can expand on my ramps. And I got the three Bowden style extruder mounts things here, so we can make 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And if I take apart, and now we got 2 steppers over there, 1, 2, plus number 3 up here on this guy. So, and we've got the extra, I only got 1. Oh no, there's another one. Yay! So, so now I've got 6 stepper motors and 6 motor controllers. So I got 4 on there, and then these 2. I don't know if that's gonna work out. You know, I don't know if they require different currents, but we got the DRV, what, 8826, I think that's what it's called, and the TMC 2100, and plus the 2. I don't need 2, but I just bought 2 just because I wanted a backup. And the 2 expansion boards on there. But I don't think I have the wires to run these boards off of. Oh no, I might have to Amazon up some wires for that. I don't know why they didn't bring them as a set. And I got a shitload of thermistors here. I got 3 more I guess. I don't know how many I got there. A bunch of those. And I got these fuses here, so I can stick in a plug instead of doing the wiring. I think I could just do one of these, and then just flip the power on and off for instead of having that thing like that. I got two of those. One is for a backup, and I got the extra little screwy mount there, and I've got these cleaning rods, which okay. I've also got rods to clean my airbrush over there. So that's a 0.2 millimeter nozzle on that airbrush. So it's not like I don't have cleaning tools for nozzles. But I bought that, see how that works, and that should be it. So yeah, that's all the stuff I ordered apparently. Yep, that's everything I got. Alright, so that was my Happy Pagan Day unboxing there. Get back. What you making there, Reuben? I'm making a corner for my cell phone. So I got this idea using leather. A bunch of leather over there. And like just print out a bunch of corners and then strap that on and then strap it down. Lock it in there. And that'll be my cell phone case. Now I'll show you that if it works. The problem is I'm not really sure about the radius on one of the corners, so I guesstimated, and I'll print out this thing. It takes about 30 minutes, and if it works, then I'll print out 4 more, because there are 4 corners on a phone. There's the 4 inside. The inside corner and the vertical corner. Those are optional corners, like the horizontal and the diagonal corners. You don't have to worry about those, but the side corners, those are important. So ask your math professor about that. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye. Bye bye. Robot descends. Hello, robot. What's going on? Well, I was all excited about the package, and I'm still happy about most of it. Got a lot of stuff, but yeah, some parts were missing, and specifically, if you watch the Twitter stuff, this one Allen hex screw was not in the package, and it wasn't in any of the 3 Pagan extruders that I got. So if I'm going to set it up, I need that screw, or I can do it another way, but yeah. So I had to go down to the hardware store, and I picked this thing up myself. There it is, right there. This thing was about 250 yen, which is about $2.50. And then the time going down there, plus all the beer that I had spent drinking on the way there and stuff like that, and then time out of my day. Yeah. So this was a missing item from my shipment, which was kind of knocking the 5 diamonds out of the seller's rating. So I contacted them, and I still haven't heard a response, but we'll see. Hopefully they'll ship me out these 5 screws, but I still lost that time. Not 5 screws, 3 screws that they owe me, plus some washers. So I'll put this thing together here, and Well, you can't compare Japanese screws to Chinese screws because they're more expensive. All right, well, I had to go out and buy these things to make the thing work. So, all right, welcome to the end of my Pagan Day unboxing. Yay! And good news and bad news. Get by. Little bit of the Hogshead Butterbeer. Butterbeer. USJ Japan. That sure is full of butter. And better. You know what I'm talking about? So, yeah, the three extruders that I got off of that Shenzhen, I want to say, didn't ship with some parts. So, but luckily, I have a hardware store near me, somewhat. 15-minute walk, which is healthy. And I know what parts to get. So I had to do some modifications. So here's my Mark 8 right there. And I've played with that a lot because I added the laser. So it's pretty much the same setup here, right? And because I'm adding the extruder, it's kind of the same method. You got your stepper motor, you got your base here, and you got the extruder there. So I had to change up some things here. I bought the correct sized Allen screws for that, and the screw they gave me for this point here was a 20 millimeter. Even on my Mark 8, this is a 15 millimeter. So this thing is way too long. So what I did was I used a washer, which they didn't give me, and I put that in there, and then it kind of made it so that it worked. But so it's working, but I had to fix it. And that's kind of disappointing. So I'm not really sure about that 5 diamonds or whatever diamonds they have, but it works now. So, all right, guys, butterbeer. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye. Happy Pagan Day. All right, super last thing. Goodbye. Another goodbye. Butterbeer. It's not butterbeer, Ruben. I doubt it. The camera's off the tripod. What the hell? So look at that. That's a left spring engaging Mark 9 setup. It's good for flex filament because it's got a really tight thing. I was like, all right, I want to get one of these. I think this thing was $4. I was like, all right, I'm gonna get. I specifically asked for the right side. Why? Why would you do the right side? Because look, there's a fucking fan right there. I need the right side. And they sent me the left side. So I was like, come on. Come on. So I sent them a message and said, come on. Just like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Maybe if I write in kanji, I want the right side. Kind of like my setup here. Powerful. Mighty strong. And I got a bunch of these extra pneumatic connectors. I can drop one on and that guy up there. Connected. Yeah. So not sure. I want to get the feedback from them, and I contacted them before I rated them, but they're like, "Well, fuck you." Well, then fuck you. So, I mean, I did get it working and stuff like that, but this is not gonna work. That's $4 for that. The screws here were, I think that was like $2.50 plus all the beer and all that stuff. So, all right, guys. Paganism, spaghetti monsters, and Christmas trees are just made up because of, and Jesus wasn't born on the Christmas. He was born in like March or something, May, and all those other things they lied about in the Bible. Goodbye.